Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I am talking about the basics of Cpanel. If you are interested with Django and Python, you can follow the channel Be Learning Club. Here is a lot of tutorial available about Python and Django. And you can also visit Be Learning Club website. So just go blearningclub.com and here you can see a lot of tutorial about Python and Django. So let's come back to the Cpanel. For this tutorial I am using GoDaddy shared hosting. So at first come to statistics. So I just increase the size. So this is nothing but a simple information about your hosting. So you can see here file used, disk used, database used, and email account used, and also the database. So they provide me one database. I have not created any database till now. So this is your primary domain and this is your shared IP address and this is your home directory. So just go to your domain and you can see it. So this is the file manager. So just go to the file manager. You can see here a lot of files and go to the public HTML, and this is your home HTML. Home HTML means what? This page, actually index page. So if you edit it, so you can change this home page. So I just type here welcome to the website. So just save this and now refresh here. So you can see welcome to the website. So I got a spelling mistake in welcome, so don't worry about that. And you can change this home page. And this is the 404 HTML, means your 404 error page. So here just this is the 404 error page. So you can change the style of 404 error page. So just go to the HTML and just edit it. So here I just give it h1 tag instead of p tag. I just save it and now refresh it. So you can see. Okay, so you can edit your 404 page. So both are available inside the public HTML folder. Otherwise you can see also in www folder. These basically same things. And now go to the public HTML. So here is layout style.css. This CSS file for home HTML. Remember, home HTML your landing page. So now let's come to the database. If your provider provides you PostgreSQL database, then it will show here. So in my case, just they will provide MySQL database. So this is the PHP MyAdmin. You already know about it. So if you are using WordPress, then you can also manage your database from WordPress admin site. And now this is the domain here. Here you can add the subdomains. So what is the subdomains means? This is your actually website, and the subdomain is something just prefix of your domain name. Okay, so you can create here play.belearningtutorial.xyz. so for this just create a subdomain. So here just name the subdomain play and the document root, just give a document root and then create it. So then your subdomain will be created successfully. This. So now come to the matrix. Here you can see the visitors of your site. And now come to the software. Here you can install the application for your domain and you can install WordPress. If you are using Django, then you have to set up a Python app. If your hosting provider doesn't provide you Python app, then you cannot host Django website. So remember it. So I have created a lot of videos about Python and Django hosting in Cpanel. Just watch it. And now here is the security. Here you can create HTTPS and your domain.com. So anything. So how to create HTTPS? I have already made a video, just watch it, link in description, just check it. And now come to the email. So here you can create a webmail account and here is the forwarder, and here is the autoresponder. What is the autoresponder? That means anybody when send their mail to the webmail, then your webmail automatically respond a email. And now come to the web application. So I just cover here what is the web application and how can you install this. So you can install WordPress from here, otherwise you can install the WordPress from here. So you can see the WordPress, just install it if you are using WordPress. So now come to the most interesting part. This is the terminal. If your provider provide you terminal, then you can use the terminal. So just click on the terminal, and this is your user ID, and now just print ls list of all files. So these all are hidden files dot. So at first I will show you how can you see any hidden file. So here just go to the settings and now show hidden files, so you can see all of hidden files. So here are .ht password, .ht access, and lot of hidden files. So just off this and save it, and now go to the terminal. Just at first type ls list of all directories and just go to the public HTML, and here you can see the file home HTML, 404s HTML, and layout style.css. So just go back, and now this is your home directory. So this basically a simple tool of Cpanel. Now you can understand basic things about Cpanel. So thanks for watching the tutorial. See you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And also I repeat, if you are interested with Python and Django, then you can follow the channel.